Hi everyone, Service Mike from Royal Truck and Trailer. Today we're going to install a wheel seal in this hub, but if you notice, there's no hammers, mallets, or driver tools laying around here to install a seal. That's because we're going to install a seal today with just the palm of our hands. SKF has the XL series of wheel seal that we're going to install today. It is so simple, makes doing wheel seal replacements super easy. So this XL seal from SKF is a seal that's been around for a few years. We've been using it in our shops and gathering data, and we really feel that this could be a game changer for many of our customers. We're going to use this exclusively in our shops as often as we can. And SKF put a 3-year warranty on this seal, so if they trust it that much, so do we. This seal has some great qualities. There's 4 rings going around this seal, 4 ridges to protect any oil from getting out of the seal. On the inner bore, there's 3 ridges going around. Very durable seal. This is not the seal of yesteryear that used to fall apart when you open the box. Really having good luck with this seal. So let's go ahead and get the seal installed. You'd get your inner bearing, put your film of oil around it, rub that film of oil around the bearing, put the bearing in. Then you would take a small film of oil and go around the seal. That does 2 things. The oil, number 1, will make the seal slide in so much easier, but that oil going around this outer ring will help get the polymers in the rubber opened up a little bit, giving it that much better of a seal. Just get your seal lined up right over the hub bore. Use the palm of your hands and just press that seal in one way, press it in on the back side. That's it. From this point, you would just put the hub on your spindle and finish doing the rest of your bearing set. Set your lash to the proper 1 to 5 thousandths, and you're good to go from there. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.